Assembly polls will be held in Jammu and Kashmir for the first time since the scrapping of Article 370, with UT going to polls in 3 phases from September 18th. The other 2 phases will be on September 25th and October 1st. Votes will be counted on October 4th. Political parties are now gearing up for the assembly polls. No assembly polls have been held in Jammu and Kashmir in the last decade, and the Union Territory has been without an elected government. The announcement by Election Commission comes after the Supreme Court upheld Centre's decision to scrap Jammu and Kashmir's special status and directed that assembly polls be held. BJP is gearing up to kick off its high decibel campaign from next week. Sources say that Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Shah, Rajnath Singh and BJP President JP Nadda will address rallies across Jammu and Kashmir. BJP is expected to go solo in Jammu and Kashmir polls. The party is also planning a significant overhaul of its candidate lineup, with sources indicating that 80% of the candidates will be fresh faces. A key BJP meet to discuss further course of action is also being held in Jammu today.
पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर में इस वक्त सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की लहर है। बीजेपी अधिकांश सीटों पर जम्मू कश्मीर में अपने दम पर चुनाव लड़ेगी और हाँ, कश्मीर घाटी में कुछ इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स 8 या 10 असेंबली सीट्स पर ऐसे हो सकते हैं जिनके साथ बीजेपी जो है तालमेल बना के वहां इलेक्शन लड़े। किसी राजनीतिक दल के साथ हमारा कोई गठबंधन नहीं होगा।
देखिए, हमारे इलाके के बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं जिनके रिलेटिंग में आज देश के गृह मंत्री जी से मिला था और उनसे मैंने डिटेल में बात की। और दूसरा, अब इलेक्शन का सीजन है, इलेक्शन को लेके पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियो पे भी बात हुई है। इस सिलसिले में मैं गृह मंत्री जी से डिटेल में मेरी डिस्कशन हुई है, मैं उनसे मिला हूँ आज। जहाँ तक रही बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने की बात, मैं कल सुबह 10:30 बजे आई एम मीटिंग विद द प्रेस एंड आई विल टॉक टू द प्रेस।
NC patron Farooq Abdullah welcomed the decision of polls in Jammu and Kashmir and exuded confidence of his party's victory, stating that his party will win with thumping majority.
क्या नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा भी सामने रखेगी जनता के सामने, या आप उस बात?
बताइए साहब, पहले अभी इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, पार्टी को बहुमत में आने दीजिए, फिर ही कहेंगे अनाउंस कौन बनेगा मुख्यमंत्री।
अब आपने कई बार कहा है कि स्टेटहुड जो है वापस मिलना चाहिए, राज्य का दर्जा वापस मिलना चाहिए और उसके बाद ही विधानसभा के चुनाव होने चाहिए। ऐसा तो अभी लग नहीं रहा कि जो राज्य का
तो हो नहीं रहा है, तो काय को उसके लिए लड़े। पहले तो हमें अब इलेक्शन हो जाए, उसके बाद इनको देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इन्हें वादा किया है कि स्टेट इलेक्शन के बाद स्टेटहुड देंगे।
Sunil Ji Bhatt is live with us on the broadcast for more on this. Sunil Ji, BJP is battle ready for the Jammu and Kashmir polls. BJP top guns will be campaigning, will be on a campaign trail, while NC's Farooq Abdullah is basically exuding confidence on the win. What can we expect from the high octane Jammu and Kashmir polls?
Well, the battle for Jammu and Kashmir has begun. Bharatiya Janata Party is in election mode, and our sources are telling us that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh are going to address rallies across the length and breadth of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. And I spoke exclusively to J&K BJP Chief Ravinder Raina a short while ago, and he confirmed that BJP was going solo in these assembly elections, and BJP is not going to have any pre-poll alliance with any political party in Jammu and Kashmir. However, he said that the party is opting for seat adjustments with independents and smaller parties in the Kashmir Valley. So it's clear that BJP is going to, have a high decibel campaign in Jammu and Kashmir, which is likely to begin from next week. As far as other political parties are concerned, particularly National Conference, it's hoping that it's going to emerge as the main player in Jammu and Kashmir after the elections. Remember, in the recently held Lok Sabha elections, National Conference was leading in as many as 34 assembly segments. So the National Conference President Farooq Abdullah was in Jammu a couple of days ago. I spoke exclusively to him, and when I asked a specific question to him that after the elections, if National Conference is in a position to form the government, will he be the chief ministerial face? He said that if his party asks him to, take this responsibility, then he will do that. He's not going to shy away from that. So clearly, National Conference is also coming with major momentum, and the party is saying that it's going to have
Sunil
a major
keep tracking that
campaign.
story. We'll come back to you for more on this.